Alright, here we are doing some soft story retrofitting. As you see, the process pretty straightforward. We're going to install these beams to brace the soft story construction that is now mandatory by LA to get it reinforced. Process, they got pits right here, about 4 feet deep. Put those braces into them, pour concrete, and then put up a new header to support this whole story here. Whole process takes about 4 weeks of construction, with a couple months of architectural and structural planning. So here it is. This is what LA now mandates and requires for all soft story construction in Los Angeles. West Hollywood, Beverly Hills, and Santa Monica are gonna pass the retrofitting pretty soon, probably by beginning of 2017. So call now and get it started and get ahead of the line of